Hi friends, this video shows how to install thumb grips on PS5 DualSense controller. So I'm going to insert this thumb grip. First we have to take inside out like this, prepare thumb grip like this, then put that thumb grip on top of the joystick. Then we can install it like this. It's very simple. See, done. So let me insert the second thumb grip. Here we have to follow the same procedure. Take inside out, then prepare it like this, then put this thumb grip on top of the joystick. Then we can easily install it like this. Done. Right, it's cool. So please try it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. If you want to remove this thumb grip, it's very easy. We can remove it like this. See, done. Okay.